What's up, YouTube? Today we're headed out west. We're headed to Boise, Idaho. We're gonna stop in Chicago for a little layover, then we'll head out west to shoot some film photos. Let's go.
Driving along this river, I came across a couple of bald eagles actually. Check them out here. All right, it's a little cold out here. Wind's blowing pretty good. Let's snap off a couple photos. Set it to infinity, ISO 400, it's the Portra 400. All right, let's take this one. And there's no real light meter in here, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be good or what, but okay, got it. All right, we just got done shooting with the XAs. We're sitting up here on this flat. So we got the heater running, warming up a little bit. We got this Stanley mug here. We're just drinking a little bit of coffee and kind of warming back up. I have this idea. I just got this new Ae1, pretty slick, the all black one. I'm gonna take a few photos with this thing. I got that Canon 17mm on there, the f4. And for film, we've got the 50D. Look at that stuff. I love this stuff. It's coming from this dude here, the film photography project. I love this stuff. It's Kodak Vision 3. This is 50 daylight, which I haven't shot a ton of it, so I'm kind of excited to try more of this out. So we're gonna load this up and we're gonna jump out and shoot. So let's load it up. All right, we're all loaded up and ready to go. Let's get the shot. All right, so basically I'm gonna take the same shot that I took with the XAs. Let's see what we got going on here. That's cool. Saying about an f8. There we go. All right, my shutter is at 1/25th, ISO 50, set to infinity. It's reading just a touch over f8. I got it set right at an f8. Let's take one. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. All right, let's take one more this way too. All right, and 1, 2, 3. All right, got it. I say we get out of here. It's starting to snow. It's coming down pretty good. All right, here we go. Let's head back into town. So at this point, I'm shooting with the Ae1, and I'm also shooting with the XA with Portra 400. That's the Canon. You're getting that cool look out of that film. Here's some elk I saw. The next day, my good buddy Shane needs me to help him driving this motorhome over to a place called Pendleton, Oregon to drop it off. So here we go. So it was an easy trip over there, but we hit some snow up on top of this mountain. It's called Dead Man's Pass. But we made it through, and we decided to go bowling. And more snow. Lots of snow. Alright, check it out. XA4. We're gonna drop down to the river over here and see what kind of photos we can take over here. Got my old fishing pole here. I actually had a really good time shooting. I just brought the XA with the Portra 400 loaded up and got some pretty fun shots, but it started to get cold and started to snow again, so I decided to call it a day and head back home. Stopped and had a little lunch and got back out. It's starting to get pretty cold, but we gotta jump out and take a few photos. Alright, Shane, how you feeling? Actually, I really like that shot. Have to stop for some chocolate when you're in Joseph, Oregon. Chocolate, you need that, bro. In my mouth. All right, and that is a wrap. We're headed back home. Getting ready to leave. It's 5 below 0 right now, and we're gonna head up to Wallow Lake. Let's roll. And this is Wallow Lake. I'm shooting a lot with the XA right here with the Portra 400, but I switched to the Canon now. The 55 1.2. Well, Wallow Lake, we're gonna go take a couple pictures. Let's go. Wow, look at this fog that's kind of set in here. It's unbelievable. All right, now this is the XA4. This camera has that 28mm lens, so it's a little wider. 1, 2, 3. All right, I want one more picture. I'm gonna shoot one vertical. Okay, that was, I want to grab the Canon Ae1 and take one more picture with a couple different lenses. So let's do that now. All right, so we got Cinestill 50 in here. Saying about an f7 at 1/25th of a second. So let's take that. Cool. Got it.
I really enjoyed my time at the lake. Got some really cool cloud coverage there. On the way out, I did spot this barn and just couldn't resist. And we got a nice sunset on the way out. Got one with the XA and another one. All good things have to come to an end, and I'm now headed back to Boise to catch my plane to fly back to Tennessee.